Hi everybody, I'm making this from Jerusalem. This week is Parshas Mishpatim, and I happen to be in front of the National Library of Israel. I recommend a visit. This week's Parsha begins Ve'ila Mishpatim Asher Tasim Lifneihem, and Hashem tells Moshe, I am now placing these laws, and you should place it in front of the Jewish people. Tasim Lifneihem, Rashi tells us that God is instructing Moshe, don't think that it's enough to teach it to the Jewish people once, twice, three times and say enough, but you have to make it accessible. Organize it like a Shulchan Aruch, like a set table. And just like at a table, when we're nurturing our bodies to have flatware, silverware, plates, cups, and everything to be organized, so too when it comes to Torah. To nurture our soul, to nurture our thirst for truth, it should be in an organized manner. Coming to visit this library here is so beautiful, and there are so many beautiful things to talk about. But I want to start off by telling you that as soon as you walk into the main library room, the centerpiece is the Talmud, is the Gemara, which is the essence of Jewish people, the essence of asking the question. And as you look around the room, it is filled with varied people, from Jewish to Muslim, to religious to not religious, male, female, and everybody is poring over the books. And it's true that most people have a computer, but all in essence is to record going down and spending the time to read the sources. I'm just amazed to see row after row, mysticism, Kabbalah, Mishnah, Halakha, Jewish thought, it just goes on and on. We truly are the people of the book, and that truly gives us our identity. And maybe that helps shed light that after Har Sinai, and after that great revelation with all the special effects, we get down to the nitty-gritty with all the detailed laws of how we get along as a society, how do we treat each other in forms of business and in damages, taking care of those that are most vulnerable. And it's like one law after another law after another law. But truly, that is what makes us an Am Kadosh, a holy people. It refines not only our souls, but our character. And that's the time that we take. And again, I walked into the library. You can hear a pin drop, but the energy of people pouring over the books and over the sources was palpable, energizing. So maybe when we look at Parshas Mishpatim, we could look at it that way, to connect us to our source, nurture our souls, and satisfy and quench our thirst for truth. If you like what you hear, please pass it on. Shabbat Shalom from Yerushalayim.